Hey guys, it's Steffi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing another Jeffree Star makeup product. This is one that I'm super excited about. This is the Blood Money palette. This one here is one that he has very recently released and I am so excited to finally get my hands on this one because, oh my god, like the concept ideas and everything that he had for this one is amazing and I love the color scheme. Even though green isn't my favorite color, I could not resist. So let's just dive straight into this one and see what the product's like. Let's have a look at and play around with all the shades and have a look at this amazing packaging. So this is the cardboard box that is on the outside. You can see it says Blood Money and it's got this risen feel to it. Blood Money is along here with these little bits to grab the box off. And this part here is actually the actual product packet. It's not the external packet, it's actually the product packet and it is like some type of metal. As usual, it has all of Jeffree Star's ingredients and all of the usual things that it needs to have on here, including his logo, as well as the front has the logo and Blood Money, what the product is called. So let's just open this one up and see what it looks like. Ooh. As you guys can tell, I'm very excited. Wow, okay, so this is completely different to this. So this is a nice dark green box, but it's very interesting that he's put this in, it's like a mint green. It doesn't show up as nice on the camera, but this is like a mint green packet and it is gorgeous. It's got these little silver edging. It is very fun to feel. It's like crocodile material where it's like got all these patterns and it feels so good. And then it's got this latch here. So this metal latch here is gorgeous. It's gold, and then as usual it's got all the product information on the back here. But let's just appreciate this packaging just for 1 second. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty stuff. The best part. So this locket here, you literally have to press in and open up the goods. So as usual, it comes with a mirror, which I absolutely love. Jeffree, don't ever change that. It is gorgeous. And if you guys can see, it is actually got like dollar signs on here. I love it. And it's got the Jeffree Star logo as well. And then these are the shades. I'm just going to show this for you guys to just appreciate this moment. There we go. Like, look at all those shades. I'm already drawn to the sparkly ones as usual, especially this dark green one here. I think that's called Emerald Estate. That is calling me today. But look, can we just appreciate this? Like, I love that he's got these more natural colors and then he's got those bright, bold colors. Like, oh my goodness. And those blacks. Oh, I think you guys know what time it is. It is swatch time. Let's swatch some shades. All right, I am going to swatch. The first one is, we're going to go with a non-sparkly one first. We're going to use Crocodile Tears, and the reason why I'm using Crocodile Tears first is because I literally have the lip color for Crocodile Tears and I love it. So let's just go ahead and rub this one. This is the product there, so it's very, very pigmented. It is nice dry feeling. And then let's swatch. Still need to work on my swatching skills because I don't know how they get it to look so good. Let's try this again. There we go. That is the Crocodile Tears. I feel like I fail swatches every time. That's okay. It's like I'm trying to get that off my finger and it's really stuck on there. So I know that this is already going to last like all day. We're going to go in with Poison Ivy. This is a beautiful sparkly shade. When the camera wants to focus, there it is. So we're literally going to go into this one here and grab that beautiful shade and swatch it. Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm getting worse with the swatches. And the location is just terrible. So I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star Morphe eyeshadow brushes, and I've used this not for this palette before, but for other green eyeshadows. I'm gonna go in straight up with Chameleon Fetish because that is gorgeous. It's a lime green and I think that it would be a shame not to use it. As usual, it has a bit of fallout, but that is to be expected. And we're literally going to do this here. Mind you, I don't have any eye primer on today because I literally forgot, or concealer. Which I probably should do. You really can put a product to the test if you don't have any of those. And I'm already looking and going, this is so pigmented and gorgeous and so easy to blend without any of that stuff. Can I just say, like, that is gorgeous. Can we just appreciate that? Like, oh my goodness. Like, I'm in love with that color. I don't know why I keep going back into it because it doesn't need any more pigmentation, but I guess I'm just so obsessed with it already. So now that we've used that one, I'm definitely going to use Mint Condition, which is the one next to it, and pop that next to that shade. So literally going into that like so, and popping that on there. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. These two colors together is just, oh, amazing. Then I'm going to go in with Divine Intervention, which is this beautiful sparkly white, and do the same thing, but next to that Mint Condition. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this looked like white, but this is actually like a holographic green. Like, it's coming up with like this holographic greeny moment, and I am definitely enjoying this a lot. Like, look at that. That is just like bam. Just because I want to play around with more colors, I'm going to go in with Money Heist, which is this one here. Just because, like, I can't resist a good sparkle, and we're going to pop this over the top. It's got like that beautiful shade too. If I didn't have that other holographic one, you would see it a lot more, but that is absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm going to get another makeup brush. I'll get one of these, and I'm going to put some colors on the underside. So we're going to go in with Heavy Weighted, which is this one right here. Just because I like playing around with this palette, and just lightly, ever so lightly, go under here. And then I'm going to go in with CEO next to that, which is this gorgeous, like, orangey gold moment. Ooh, that is absolutely stunning. A little goes a long way with this one, because like that just spread most of that. But that is really, really pretty. All right, so that is one eye done. We're going to go in to some different colors on the other side. So we're gonna make this side a little bit more darker. So first things first is I'm gonna go with Crocodile Tears because I can't resist. Like, that is absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna do sort of the same shape, but on the other side with darker colors, I mean. So we're gonna go in with Crocodile Tears. Considering like I have not primed my eyes or done anything to these, and my skin tone isn't the lightest, this is really, really pretty and very pigmented. Now I think there might be a little bit of residue of one of the holographic ones in my brush because I'm getting a little bit of a shine, and I know that Crocodile Tears does not have any, which I'm not complaining about. It looks really, really pretty actually. So sometimes accidents are miracles. And this is one of those moments. So that is that Crocodile Tears there. We're gonna go next to that with Secret Stash, which is this like grey black color here. The blendability, guys, of this is just super amazing. I don't have to do as much work as I'm doing, but I'm just obsessed with these colors. Like I could literally do this look in like 2 seconds. But that is that there. My lining isn't as great for you guys to see it, but it is amazing. It's got like this green shimmer to this black, like it's really pretty. And then I'm gonna go in with Money Heist and see if we can get this one working, because that shimmer is everything. Yeah, that is gorge. That is absolutely divine. Obviously, I've got really crap lighting on that side, but look at that. Absolutely amazing. This would literally take me like 2 seconds. It's only for the fact that I'm so obsessed with this that I'm literally just taking my time. Otherwise, literally, this wouldn't take me very long to create any looks with this palette. It's so blendable. I feel like, I don't know if the formulas have changed over time, but it's just super easy to use. The blendability is great. Pigmentation is very strong. I love everything about it. But we're gonna go in with Tax Free now, and we're gonna go under here. And I'm just literally using the mirror off this, like it is a massive mirror. We can use Private Island, which is a brown, just because I want to try a different color and see how this turns out. Don't even know if that's going to appear that much. Oh yep, it's working. So there you have it. I don't know which side I like the best because they are both amazing. Just going to blend out the top of this a little bit more. Just because it's a bit flat compared to the other side, but look at that. Those colors are stunning. And I will say I've got a bit of fallout, like it's such a small amount you can't even really tell. I feel like the formula has changed because normally the fallout's really intense. There's a lot more. Unless if I'm just getting better at using the equipment and using, you know, better tools, the fallout's barely there. Like, because I always say, like, when I'm doing my makeup, I'm like, damn it, like I've done my foundation first and then I have all this fallout on my face and then I have to, you know, put some concealer or whatever, but literally didn't have to do that today. I don't care about the fallout. There's like such a minuscule amount. I can't even notice it. The color's amazing. I'm literally going to move you just for 1 second so you can actually see everything a lot better. That is the true coloring itself. Like, it is amazing. You could do so many great looks, from fun light colors to the dark colors. Like I'm feeling mermaid vibes out of this. This has 18 shades. I cannot say one bad thing about this palette. It is gorgeous. Everything about it is stunning, including the actual product itself. So from every little detail, from the exterior packaging to the interior packaging, including like this dark packaging here, you can see it, like it is amazing. All of it is just stunning. I love the where he's located all the colors and how he's like coordinated it all, and literally how the product looks. I'm very, very happy with the product. I would definitely tell you guys to invest in this product because it is amazing. It looks great. The detail from the product packaging to marketing, everything like that, like Jeffree, you've done amazing. I'm very, very proud of you, and literally I love this, so I'm going to be using this one a lot. I hope you guys have enjoyed this review. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time. I love you all. Bye. I almost forgot I needed to put on some lashes because I was so obsessed with the actual eyeshadow palette. So let's just move you guys so where you can see it. So this is now handheld, and this is the final look, guys. It is absolutely stunning. I was just so obsessed with the color, like I said, that I actually forgot eyelashes. Hope you guys have all enjoyed this review. I love you all. Bye.